Are you a person who like fun and party with your friends but your yellow teeth do not allow you to do that? Your smile is the first thing someone notice about you, and guess what kind of person you are. Are you thinking about whitening your teeth but don't want to go through an expensive medical treatment? If yes, then you have come to the right place. Today, Health and Wellness will show you how you can whiten your teeth with simple home remedies without spending a single penny. But before that, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for new interesting videos. Number 5. Coconut oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient technique used to remove bacteria and plaque from the teeth naturally. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties that keep the teeth clean, and oil pulling makes them whiter. Place 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth. Swish and swirl it around for 5 to 20 minutes. Rinse your mouth. Dip a damp toothbrush in baking soda and brush your teeth with it. Rinse again. Number 4. Activated charcoal. You might be using activated charcoal to glow your skin. Have you ever heard about whitening your teeth with charcoal? Sound weird? Right, but it's true. Activated charcoal has properties which allow it to absorb many types of chemical substances, including the plaque accumulated on the teeth. Take 1 charcoal tablet, crush it into a powder. Dip a clean, wet toothbrush into the charcoal powder. Apply the charcoal to your teeth in gentle circular strokes and cover your teeth with it. Let the powder sit in the mouth for 2 minutes, do not swallow the powder. Spit the powder out and rinse the mouth multiple times and brush off what is left with a clean toothbrush. Number 3. Turmeric powder paste. Turmeric can help remove surface stains on the teeth and plaque and make your teeth whiter. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that are important for healthy teeth. Make a thin paste of turmeric powder with water in a small dish. Use a clean brush to apply the paste on the teeth. Brush gently for 2 minutes. Rinse with water and then brush teeth with a regular paste. Number 2. Lemon juice and baking soda. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which has a bleaching effect on the teeth. When combined with a mild abrasive such as baking soda, the mixture can treat your stains. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with baking soda to make a thin paste. With a soft toothbrush, apply the paste on your teeth. Gently brush in circular strokes for about 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Later, brush your teeth with normal toothpaste. Number 1. Banana peel. You might be eating banana or making banana smoothie to keep yourself healthy, and every time you throw away banana peel. Did you know banana peel can help you to get rid of yellow teeth? Just take banana peel and cut into pieces. Scrub your teeth with banana peel. Rinse the mouth with clean water. Repeat this once a day.